Okay, just got the new iPad Pro for a birthday gift here. As you can see, we got the Apple Pencil, second edition, the official Smart Keyboard Folio, and then of course the iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch, 512 gig. Took an extra few days for these to come out from Best Buy. Apparently you could have got the smaller ones a little bit earlier, but as you can see, I got mine today, pre-ordered it, got the email, there we go. Alright, so just really wanted to record the unboxing so everyone can see the new iPad in all of its glory. And let's start, I guess, with the pencil, and we'll go from there. As if I need it. Oh, I don't think I will. Use that. Good job. Okay. Done with you. Okay, pencil time. Tabs there. Apple is so first class. Apple in California. Apple Pencil. Nice. All that stuff in there. I'm not going to really pull that out and go through it. Ooh, nice. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Not a lot. Like, I don't know weights, but maybe an ounce. I'm sure it says on here somewhere, but it feels good. Really cool. Soft touch there. I know it's magnetic. It's got another case on it. Take that off here in a second. But there you go. Apple Pencil. Keyboard Folio. This one, I believe. I'll go ahead and use the knife. Should be good for now. Okay, you can see that. Very nice. Okay. We have some trash here. Okay, really cool. Let's open this up. If I can here. There we go. I got it, I promise. Okay, great. So here's some cool news. So I bought this, I pre-ordered the case as well. But it didn't let me choose the color, so I went by whatever the picture was, hoping and praying that it was the black one or the gray one. I didn't really care black or gray, but I got the gray one, obviously. So I'm happy about that. I would have been really mad if it was like pink or something. Cool. And obviously well protected here in this film case or whatever. Looks great. Okay, very smooth. Open her up. Sweet. So this is the case. I don't know if there's anything, yeah, some documentation in here. Again, I'll go through all that another time. I won't bore you with that stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at that. This is cool. So this is kind of like a suede material. Obviously this is going to go on the back. And then the keyboard, you can see the grooves where the iPad's going to sit. Keys feel really cool, really great. Kind of have wide hands, but I can definitely see myself typing away on this thing. It's going to be awesome. So, good stuff. And now, the main event. iPad. Sweet. Cannot wait. Easy open. glad they did that, so I don't need my knife. Yes, I'm opening this on my bed. Yes, these are new sheets. All right, or clean ones at least, not new. Cool, iPad Pro. One last look with the box on it. Very nice. This is always odd. Trying to get these out. There we go. Okay, just lift up on the edge and it slides right out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. There's all this stuff here. Okay, so you got your manual USB-C cables, charge cable, and then the charger, which is a brick. This thing is massive. Just to show you, let me see if I have a old school one. Give me just a second. All right, so in a recent turn of events, I don't have the regular USB one, but obviously everyone with an iPhone does, and it's about like 75% the size of this thing. And this thing is pretty big for that little USB-C to go in. So I've got big expectations for the iPad. The iPad Pro, with it being USB-C, I mean, it says you can go output up to 5K, which is amazing. So, anyway, look at that thing. It's gigantic. And there, obviously, cables. Doesn't feel like there's anything worthwhile underneath here. Like most of this is air, it looks like, underneath this thing. Or maybe I'm wrong. Let's pull it up and see. It's like glued in there. Nah, this is just basically aesthetics. Looking like that. It does not need to be this thick, I promise you. Alright, anyways. Not going to say anything about that. You already know. iPad, okay. So obviously we got the cover little thing here. Look at that. Sweet. Peel that off. Ooh, feels so good. Peels so good. Let me just slide it down out here. Watch this. Oh yeah. Whoa. Wow. You see that? Reflection. Throw this away. Now I could show you if you can see it. There's the cameras up there. Let's see if I can see anything else. I cannot on the edges, but you can see kind of the see the camera and all the things up there. That's exactly what I'm going to call them. Okay, we've got speakers. Looks like the power button, volume, up and down controls there. This is the magnet. There's your USB-C port, 2 other speakers, and then nothing but looks like maybe the SIM card thing there. I could be wrong about that. Maybe microphone. I think it's a microphone. Whatever. There it is. Nothing there. Back, obviously pretty plain. You got your big old camera here, flash, the attachment there. This part here is not protruding at all, but you can feel it. The camera obviously is protruding. Looks great. Let's see if I can turn this thing on. Wipe that off. Oh, come on. Don't give me smudges already. Okay. Holding it down. Boom. First ever time this iPad has been turned on. Hopefully do this thing justice here. It's pretty cool. nothing is happening. You're absolutely right. Nothing is happening. There we go. Hello. Swipe up to open. English. Very smooth. Wow. Did it not have the United States? Okay. We gotta go down. Maybe there's a faster way to do that? Leave it in the comments. Quick start. What? Bring it nearby to sign in automatically. That's cool. Okay. Well, I'm recording on my iPhone, so I'll go ahead and do this to set it all up, and maybe I'll do a brief little walkthrough or whatever to, go ahead and show you guys a few of the things it can do, put the pencil on it and whatnot. So hold on real quick. Okay, so pretty cool. I already set up Face ID, went through, set up the new iPad, software, blah, 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 agreed to everything, enable. I'm trying to show you as much as I can. It's synced with the phone, just being near it, connecting it and whatnot. Pretty legit. Add cards, I'll set that up later. I'm gonna do Apple Pay, Siri, set up later. I'm not gonna go through all that. Yeah, I like to do share. Yeah, I like to do share. Automatically adapts to ambient lighting. Of course, that's fine. Go home, swipe up from the bottom edge. Now, I do not have the iPhone X or XS or anything. I got a 6S Plus. So, there you go. Swipe up from the bottom edge. Show the dock and release. Okay, I get it. So this is all new to me. That's what I'm trying to say. Switch between recent apps. Swipe up further. Okay, to bring up that, like that. Quickly access control, yeah, swipe down, I like that. Welcome to iPad, swipe up to get started. Look at this. Wow, smooth. Got your basics here. Allow, weather, yeah, always. Okay, so pretty cool. Let's bring out this pencil here and let's see what this is all about. Now you can obviously test all this stuff at the Apple Store, probably Best Buy, but this one's mine, so whatever. Ooh, now obviously I gotta activate this thing somehow, so let's try connecting it to the side. Look at that, popped up. Sweet. Would you like to use this pencil with your iPad? Connect. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Hey, this is new. Whole new way, create instant note. So quickly create a note by tapping anywhere on the lock screen. Automatically save to notes. Switch tools to gesture. Double tap, switch tools as you write. Okay. Double tap switches from that stuff. You saw that in the Apple demo. Very good. So let's give this a shot. Okay. Notice it's this iPad automatically connected to my Wi-Fi, which is pretty cool because it's set up through my phone. Now this thing is working seamlessly. Pretty awesome. Let's see what they're talking about here. Lock screen, double tap. Oh, sweet. Instant notes. Oh my goodness. You only draw with Apple Pencil. Your fingers will be used for scrolling instead. Okay. Notes. Wow. You say that's bad handwriting. No, that's my handwriting. This is exactly how my handwriting is. That's literally like writing with a pen. That is good stuff. So let's do double tap. Let's see what happens. Nothing happened. Okay. Nothing's happening with this. Maybe I need to set it up somehow, but that's not working. Okay. It's probably something I didn't learn yet. That is good stuff. Okay, so let's delete all that. Nothing happened. Undo, you can undo the things there. Scroll, okay, that's cool, that's cool. Delete, whatever. So now, let me try to, easiest way to, I locked it again and unlock it. Camera covered. Why is the camera covered? Oh, I guess I'm unlocked. I'm good, okay. So notes, continue. Oh, it's saved everything, okay. Back up. Okay, hey, so I'm getting the hang of this thing. All that, it's good. That's already up, okay. The rest of this, I think, is just setting up my preferences, and as you can see, the pencil did that. Oh, it does not connect on the top there, or the bottom. See, I would thought it connected on the top. The pencil does not connect on the skinny edges, just that side there. Not even that side there. So the pencil only connects one side, that one side. So that's new. I thought it was any side, actually. I was wrong. All right, let's do the keyboard here, and then I'll call it a day. So I'm going to connect it with down here, and let's lock it down here. This is where it connects magnetically there at the bottom. Ready? I think that was it. I didn't feel a snap or anything. That's pretty solid right there. Thin. It's magnet. Yeah, it's shut there. I mean, it's not going anywhere. No, it's good. So, and it does the open thing like automatically. Locked. Unlocked. View. Magnets. That is good stuff. Oh my gosh. Wow. Seamless. That is awesome. Pencil on top. Boom. Well, there you have it, my friends. iPad Pro 11-inch. If there's anything y'all want to see, let me know. Otherwise, over and out.